Keeping your commercial property clean in Las Vegas isn't just about appearances. It's about creating a welcoming and professional space for customers and employees. Over time, dirt, grease, and stains build up on sidewalks and exteriors, making your business look worn and uninviting. That's where we come in. At Pressure Washing Express, we use high-powered hot water pressure washing to cut through tough grime and restore your property's clean, polished look. Whether it's a storefront, office building, or restaurant, we'll make sure your business looks fresh, inviting, and well-maintained. And just look at these results. This is how it looks now, and it turned out amazing.